Hello and welcome. My name is Wakile. In this tutorial, we're continuing with the open chords, and the next up is the chord of A. And on the chord of A, you want to form A major chord, and you form a major chord by stacking thirds. Now, in your scale, you take a scale and then you stack thirds on it. Now, in your scale, which is which has degrees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you stack thirds, the first third you're gonna have in a major scale is a major third. If you stack another third, you go to the fifth, and that third there is a minor third. So, for you to form a major third, one formula might be, in terms of the gaps that are between, is a major third plus a minor third. Okay, and you get to the fifth. Now, our formula is 1, 3, 5. That's our formula there. Now, the chord of C in the open the chord of A in the open position goes like this. You place your first the small finger there, or the pinky, on fret number 2, string number 2, and then you place your second or third finger. I'm coming from the other direction. Third finger on string number 3, second fret, and your second finger on let's just do it the conventional way first. Okay, you do it that way, which is your first finger is on string number 4, fret number 2. Your second finger is string number 3, fret number 2, and your third finger, string number 2, the second fret. So it sounds like that. In this fingering, the first string is open, and the fifth string is open, and the sixth string is open. So you have your A major chord. So that's the conventional way of fingering it, like this. It can also be fingered like that. In which case, this finger has got, you gotta have some finger dexterity there. It's got to bend like that, and then it this band just touches the strings. It just bars the strings. You're just barring the string, and the other fingers are free to go and do other things. Okay, so those are the two ways of fingering it, and both of them are suitable for the CAGED system, by the way, because they leave. Just for the CAGED system, you can start with this. I'll show you the method. So your second finger is on 4th string, 2nd fret. Your third finger is on 2nd fret, string number 3, and your 4th finger is on 2nd fret, string number 2. And you leave this finger open. You leave it free. Nothing gonna pick. Okay, now let's examine the formula for this chord here. I'm holding it like this, and let's examine the formula. The formula is, you gotta come from here again. The formula is, here you have an E here. First, let's do the notes E. And you got an A. You get an E. You get an A. And you get a C sharp. And you get an E there. Okay. So your 1 is A. Your 3 is your C sharp, and your 5 is your E. Okay, so you got 5, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5. Again, it's gonna be 5, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5. So that's your formula there. 5, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5 for the A major chord, and we are on the second fret there. That's where all our fingers are, on strings number 2, 3, and 4. So here's the sound. Okay, and if you're picking, okay, so that's the sound there. And the reason why you leave this one hanging in there is you can actually go inside again, and you do that. If you move by a fret, you move to A sharp, because your root is there. That's now A sharp. Now if you try to play that, oh, it sounds horrible. No, you got to bar that again. That's A sharp, B. Here, B sharp is your C there. C sharp, D sharp. From D sharp you go to E, F sharp, G. You can begin to notice as you go up, you're approaching an octave, and then you go back to that was B, C now. Sorry, I've gone to G, and this is G sharp, and A, back to A. Now, you might want to notice that as you go up there, this fingering becomes, it breaks down, because fingers it's difficult to work it out there. The frets are narrower, so you got to use this method here. You still go with it. This is your A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, back to G. Okay, so this is the thing. So that's why you leave it like that. So you can be able to play any chord using A, any chord using A sharp. That's what we mean by sharp. This is the A sharp, or the A form. Some people call it the A form, but this A sharp or A form. That's it. This, and for any chord, it takes that formula that I've just given you, which is your, if you go back to that, it's your 5, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5. It's always like that for any. If you go down there, for that chord there, it's the formula is still the same. Now the key that you are in is determined by this third, the note on the third, notes on the third string, and on the fifth string. Those are the roots. Okay, so you gotta know that. And this one. But the formula remains the same. So that's where your fingers, that's where your notes, your roots are. Okay. If you go there, you just look at the fifth there, know what note it is, and the third string there. Then you know the chord that you're playing in. Okay. That's as simple as that. And there you go. So this is the chord of A, and in summary, I've said the chord of A, in order for you to finger it conventionally, you have to work it out that way. You can work it out that way. Now, if you want a finger to be free for the CAGED system, which means in this one you're fingering using finger 1, 2, and 3. Now you can use fingers 2, 3, and 4, and then leave the first finger free for it to bar, act as a bar as you move inside, like that. You bar. In this case, you have to bar all the strings from top there to bottom, so that it acts as a bridge, you know, as a bridge there, and you're in chord back. You're back in chord. Every note is in that key there, so that's beautiful. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to thank you very much for watching this, and in the next episode we're going to look at the G shape and how you can finger the G major. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this so that you get some more as we go. Thanks. Bye.